Hello. This is a birthday song for a very special kid out there. He turns 2 today or soon, and this is for him. And you should really thank mommy because she asked me to do it for you. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kingston, to you. I just want you to know how happy I am for you. That it's your birthday and it's crazy and you're my Kingy poo, yeah. Now I'm sorry that I can't be there with you when you're about to go to bed. I know you'd rather be terrorizing mom's house instead. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kingston, to you. Yay! Oh. And then when I meet you, you're going to have to play this song by the time you're 3 years old. And then you're going to sing Auntie Des a birthday song, okay? Yeah? Okay.